A judge is calling for a federal investigation into claims about exploitation of girls living at a Bastrop shelter for sex trafficking survivors.
KXAN investigator Avery Travis has been following this case for us for weeks now after allegations of abuse at that very facility. She's joining us now with the latest from this hearing where the judge said, Avery, that the Texas Rangers' efforts were being handled poorly.
Yeah, it was a tense day in this courtroom, but it's been building for weeks after claims that nude photos were taken of the girls at the Refuge in Bastrop. Now, we've told you how the Texas Rangers expect a former employee there to be arrested for potentially child pornography charges. That arrest hasn't happened yet, and the head of DPS reported no evidence of ongoing abuse or trafficking. Now, that's the statement federal judge Janice Jack says made her doubt the quality of the entire investigation itself. She criticized law enforcement on several points, including a claim that one of the girls hadn't been interviewed at the time the Rangers released those first initial findings.
So the judge told the court today she plans to have the case referred to the U.S. Attorney's Office to investigate possible federal charges for child pornography and for anyone who obstructs justice in this case. And Avery, earlier this week, the federal court monitors who oversee the foster care system published a report. It also criticized those findings and contained new details about the ongoing investigation at the Refuge. What did the judge have to say about that?
Yeah, that's exactly right, Robert. The judge applauded the monitors for their detailed report. The attorneys for the state, though, expressed some concern about that report and its effect on the ongoing Rangers investigation. They're asking everyone to let that play out. They actually asked for any future reports from the monitors to be sealed. Now, the judge emphasized her belief that the monitors hadn't shared any more confidential details than other state agency heads or DPS already had. Now, yesterday, DPS sent us a statement reiterating that their investigation is still ongoing. Keep in mind, the court was originally scheduled to review some other reports by these very court monitors and by some other experts overseeing broad improvements to the Texas foster care system, not just focus on this Refuge investigation. So we're going to be taking a closer look at those findings and topics coming up tonight at 6.
Thanks, Avery. We'll see you at 6.